Okay, so I'm out here. It's beautiful. Doesn't get nicer than this. I made a decision to go the long way, heading down all the way to the Colorado. That's not the Colorado. 6 miles today. I feel very strong. Sweat a lot. Feels like my whole body is detoxifying. Sweating, that's what it does for you. Drink a lot of water, sweat a lot. Mine. Okay, a little rest at a cave. It's nice and cool. Unfortunately, can't go really in much deeper. It's closed down, but it feels really good.
It's very difficult to care about something when you're not connected to it. A long time ago I used to believe that awareness of nature conservation is the key. It's very difficult to be aware if you're not connected. So time to time, I just pack up, go out into nature, off the beaten path. Because being connected to nature is just like plugging your cell phone into the wall. You gotta recharge it, and then you can go away and you can talk on your phone and you can use it. But eventually you have to go back and plug it back in. I feel like people are the same. You evolved in nature. So once in a while you need to plug yourself into nature. And then you can go do your stuff, live in the big cities. But eventually, you gotta go back in there and get reconnected. So next time, I come back and I continue this journey. See you guys in a couple of days. Ciao!